Karuna Singh and welcome to the channel KnowledgeStar Continuous Knowledge Excellence. In this video, we will get to know about how to write a research paper. Now our expert, Dr. Gregory David Olivier, who is renowned professor, professional academic editor and trainer, will explain you in detail about this topic. So to get complete information, watch full video without skip.
Let me just reiterate the importance of the abstract is because that very often people will not wish to read your whole paper. Instead, they will simply read the abstract. Now, the abstract contains pretty much everything, okay? But it's summarized. And at the end of the abstract, you will have about 5 words or a few small phrases. And this is your metadata for people to search for you online. So you explain the problem, what was done, how it was done, the results, your conclusion, and your keywords. The first time that you mention something that you wish to abbreviate, for example, tropical cyclone, okay, you write out the whole word or the whole name with your abbreviation. Following that, you may use your abbreviation. Therefore, in the abstract, the next time you refer to tropical cyclone, you would simply write TC in capitals. Now, this process happens twice. It happens in the abstract, and it also happens again in the introduction, and so forth and so on. So you once in the abstract, and once in the introduction, and after that you may use your abbreviations. Okay, the next section of the paper is your introduction. Now, the introduction, in some cases, it's known as Chapter 1. So this will include a broad explanation of what you're doing, and then one or more detailed explanations under their own subheadings. So you have a broad explanation followed by detailed explanations. Significance of the study. The significance of the study shows how your findings will benefit other people. And in the introduction, include your research questions, usually 2. Now we have Chapter 2, which is usually very long, and it takes a lot of effort to write and paraphrase everything. You are going to read academic material on the subject, on your topic. So you can use books from the library, you can use online resources, and please remember everything that you write in the whole paper must be in your own words. You must paraphrase everything.
Wait. Are you worried about your project, training, dissertation, internship? Don't think too much because Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, in short NSTC, is giving you a golden opportunity to do the same tasks. NSTC also conducts workshops on amazing topics. So if you want to register in the workshop, the registration link is given in the description box below, or you may go to the website www.nanoschool.in where you can easily enroll in the workshops. So just check it out right now.
Unless you quote directly, and I will be covering your quotations and citations in Workshop 3. Now, we have the framework of the study. This is the next section, Chapter 3. This will include, number 1, a definition of terms that you use. So the scientific jargon that you write, you should explain what it means because not everyone is a scientist. Some of the people who read your paper don't understand what nanoscience is, or they won't understand your field. Therefore, it's up to you to explain it to the reader. This could be a simple glossary of terms. Explain your theories and explain how you connect concepts and terms and theories in a logical way. Make it easy to understand. This is gleaned from the internet. Basically, I'm going to abbreviate this section. A theoretical framework consists of concepts together with their definitions and reference to relevant scholarly literature. However, I'm going to skip to the next paragraph. Let's remember that the theoretical framework is most often not something easily found in literature. So there are some ideas that you get from your literature, from reading, but then again, you have your own ideas. So your framework will show how you synthesize your points of view and your ideas with those ideas that exist already. That will constitute chapter 3, your theoretical framework. Now, some people choose to write a paper simply by reading other people's papers and doing no research whatsoever. I've seen those papers published, however, they tend to be criticized as being unscientific. So you would have to do research in order to be taken seriously. Before you do the research, you must choose your method. We have different ways of doing research. You have qualitative or quantitative. Right? You have to figure out how many samples or how many subjects you're going to select. How did you select those samples? Which instruments did you use, and how did you choose those instruments? Or perhaps if you develop your own instruments, how did you develop those instruments? This is very, very important for your study to be taken seriously. And then your results section. Simply put, what have you discovered? So this will relate directly to your research instruments, and you will insert your tables with the figures and findings. So you're going to display your data and you're going to explain what it means. So please remember that scientists do tend just to display the data without the explanation.
I hope you liked this video. Here, I would like to give you an important information that Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, or NSTC, organized the nanotechnology workshops on interesting topics. Also, I would like to tell you about the initiatives of NSTC in which you can also be a part of. Mentorship, patent commercialization, joint product development, research projects, consultancy services, nanomaterials for your research projects, training programs or customized training programs, workshops or customized workshops. Okay, one more thing. Do you want full recording of this previous video which you have just seen? Yes? Okay, then contact us at info@nstc.in. And to enroll in the upcoming workshops, you can go to the website www.nanoschool.in. So that's all. If you want to see these type of videos, then please do comment. We will definitely reach out to you. And yes, subscribe to the channel knowledgestar. Hit the bell icon to never ever miss an update. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.